In this tutorial, I will show you how to use ScatterChart. I'm using IntelliJ IDEA 2021.2.3. Let's create a new JavaFX project with JDK 17.0.1. Next, without dependencies. Finish. I will do non-modular programming, so let's start with entering new title, JavaFX ScatterChart. Okay, I will close it. I will remove module info Java so that I can do non-modular programming. Refactor, save, delete, OK. Also, I will change the name of application here, code it as hello application. Refactor, I will change to controller. Refactor, rename controller. Hello view.fxml, I will change to view.fxml. Refactor to refactor. Now we are going to add JavaFX library because we are not using Maven build. Delete it all. OK. Let's add the Java. Let's browse through JavaFX library. In my case, it's on the program files, Java, and then JavaFX SDK 17.0.1 and library. OK. OK. Apply OK. Let's open FXML in SceneBuilder. I'm using SceneBuilder 17.0.0. Let's go to controller, copy, delete. I will use anchor pane. Go to controller, make sure you paste it back. Let's look at ScatterChart. I will say for title, high and low temperature. FX ID, I will just say ScatterChart. Category axis, X-axis. For label, I will say month. Y-axis, temperature. I think that's all. Okay, so let's save. Return to IntelliJ. Let's add a data field to controller class. Two more. then y-axis. Let's change to private. Then you need to add fxml annotations for 3 data fields. Okay, this one we don't use it anymore, so let's remove. That comes with the sample project at the beginning. Let's implement initializable interface. Then we need to implement one method called Initialize, which is an abstract method. Now we can initialize ScatterChart using XY chart series, string value, and then double value. String for label for months, double for temperature. So the first one January, then the second one temperature for example 28 degree. Let's set the name of this series I. Then we can add the data here using get data, add new XY chart with data. Then we can say January string value, then 28.0 double value. Let's repeat a few more. Change to February, March, April. Then you can adjust the temperature. Okay, let's repeat the same thing for low temperature series. So in my case, I will just copy all of them, then paste it. I will adjust it to be series low. Change the low. Set name to be low temperature. Series low, all of them. Here we are going to use maybe one temperature lower. Then we can use these two series to scatter chart, add wall. Let's say series high and then low. Let's build this project. Successful. Edit configuration here. Add new application. You can name of your application to be let's say app. Java 17 OK, main class, which is what we call it as an application. OK. Now we can add the VM options. Module path to your JavaFX SDK library. Let me copy. Paste it. Then add modules. javafx.controls, javafx.fxml, then javafx.graphics. Apply OK. Run app. As we can see, I'm using JDK 17.0.1 with JavaFX 17.0.1 as well. So we have a high and low temperature. It's difficult to see, so let's adjust the temperature. Let me say low temperature might be 17 and then 18, so that we can see some difference between those two series. Okay, now you can clearly see that high temperature is up there, low temperature is down here. Months and temperature too. I think that's all for ScatterChart. Thank you.